Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, the graph below shows the temperature of two cities, namely Dallas and Houston. Now we have to find the difference of temperature of the two cities in the week when the difference is maximum. So for that we have to find the temperature of Dallas, which is relatively higher, and the temperature of Houston, which is relatively lower, and that's how we are going to maximize our difference. So maximum difference will be equals relatively high temperature of Dallas, relative high temperature of Dallas minus relative low temperature of Houston, relative low temperature of Houston. Now, if we observe the graph carefully, then we might see that in week number 5, the temperature of Houston is at its all-time low, that is its 10-week low, which is at 22 degrees centigrade. So let's write it over here. And so in week number 5, temperature of Houston equals 22 degrees centigrade, which is its 10-week low, and temperature of Dallas is at its all-time high, which is 37 degrees centigrade. Therefore, maximum difference will be equals 37 degrees centigrade minus of 22 degrees centigrade, which is nothing but 15 degrees centigrade. Therefore, upon checking the options, we see that option C will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.